Imagine pulling a brand new phone out of the box, flipping it over, and instantly knowing it's a nothing phone even before the screen turns on. That transparent design, those glowing glyph lights, and that minimal industrial look that almost feels like a piece of tech art instead of just another smartphone. Today we're checking out the brand new Nothing Phone 4a Pro, a phone that's trying to prove you don't need flagship level prices to get flagship level personality. It's packed with a huge AMOLED display, a surprisingly powerful Snapdragon chip, and a camera system that looks way more serious than what we normally see in this price category. But the real question is simple. Is this actually one of the best mid-range phones you can buy right now? Or is it just another phone that looks cool but doesn't deliver when it matters? Before we dive deep into everything this phone can do, if you enjoy honest tech reviews like this, make sure to hit subscribe and drop a like because it really helps the channel grow and lets me keep bringing you more tech content like this. Right away, the design is exactly what you would expect from Nothing, but somehow it still feels fresh. The back panel keeps that transparent style, but now it's cleaner and more refined. You can see the layout lines underneath the glass and the aluminum structure that gives the phone this industrial mechanical look. The frame itself is aircraft-grade aluminum, and the entire phone feels solid in the hand. At about 8 millimeters thick and weighing around 210 grams, it's not the lightest phone, but it definitely feels premium. And of course, the highlight is still the glyph interface. On this phone, there are 137 individually addressable mini LEDs on the back that light up for notifications, calls, timers, and even certain app interactions. It's one of those features that might sound like a gimmick at first, but once you start using it, you actually notice how useful it can be without needing to constantly turn the screen on. Flip the phone around, and you're greeted by a massive 6.83-inch AMOLED display, and honestly, this panel is impressive for the price. The resolution is 1260 by 2800, which keeps everything looking sharp and detailed. But the real standout here is the refresh rate. This display runs at 144 Hz, which means scrolling through apps or social media feels incredibly smooth. Brightness is another strong point. You get around 1600 nits in high brightness mode and up to 5000 nits peak, which is crazy bright. Watching HDR content looks fantastic thanks to HDR10+ support, and the color reproduction is vibrant without feeling overly saturated. Whether you're watching YouTube videos, gaming, or just browsing the web, this screen feels fast, responsive, and genuinely enjoyable to use. Powering the Nothing Phone 4a Pro is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor built on a 4nm process. Now, this isn't a flagship chip like the Snapdragon 8 series, but for everyday use, it's honestly more than enough. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and games run surprisingly well. With the Adreno 722 GPU, you can comfortably play most modern mobile games at high settings without major frame drops. Pair that with 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, and you've got a phone that feels fast and responsive in almost every situation. Storage starts at 128 gigabytes and goes up to 256 gigabytes using UFS 3.1, which means faster app loading times and quicker file transfers. Software is another place where Nothing phones usually stand out, and this one is running Android 16 with Nothing OS 4.1 right out of the box. The interface stays very close to stock Android, but adds its own minimal visual identity. You get the monochrome icon style, the clean widgets, and that unique dot matrix aesthetic that Nothing is known for. It feels lightweight and smooth without the heavy clutter that many Android skins add. Nothing also promises up to 3 major Android updates, which is pretty solid for a phone in this category. Now let's talk about cameras, because this is where things get interesting. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro comes with a triple camera setup on the back. The main camera is a 50-megapixel wide sensor with optical image stabilization, which helps keep photos sharp even in low light. There's also a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 3.5 times optical zoom, which is honestly rare to see at this price. And finally, you get an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing those larger scenes. In good lighting, the main camera produces photos with strong dynamic range and natural-looking colors. The telephoto lens is surprisingly useful for zoom shots and portraits, while the ultra-wide helps when you want to capture landscapes or group photos. Video recording goes up to 4K at 30 frames per second with stabilization and even Dolby Vision HDR support, which is impressive for a mid-range device. Battery life is another area where this phone looks strong on paper. Inside is a 5,080 mAh battery, which is definitely large enough to get through a full day of heavy use. Streaming videos, browsing, social media, gaming, and messaging all day shouldn't be a problem. When it's time to charge, the phone supports 50-watt wired charging, which can get the battery to 50% in about 22 minutes and fully charged in around 64 minutes. There's also reverse wired charging at 7.5 watts, which means you can actually use the phone to charge other devices like earbuds. Connectivity is solid across the board. You get full 5G support along with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a USB-C port. There's also an under-display fingerprint sensor that unlocks the phone quickly and reliably. The phone even has an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance, which means it can handle splashes and light rain without any problems. For audio, you get stereo speakers that deliver decent volume and clarity, although there's no headphone jack, which isn't surprising these days. So when you step back and look at the full package, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro is clearly trying to do something different. It mixes a unique design with solid performance, a high refresh rate display, a capable camera system, and a big battery. All of that comes in at a price around 480 euros, which puts it right in the competitive mid-range category. And honestly, it's refreshing to see a phone that doesn't just focus on specs, but also on personality and user experience. Now, if you've made it this far in the video, I want to know your opinion. Do you think the Nothing Phone 4a Pro is one of the most interesting mid-range phones right now, or would you still pick something else in this price range? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I read every single one and I love seeing what you guys think about new tech like this. Overall, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro feels like a phone that's built for people who want something different without sacrificing the core smartphone experience. It's stylish, powerful enough for daily use, and packed with features that actually make the phone feel fun to use. If Nothing continues refining this formula, they might seriously become one of the most exciting smartphone brands to watch in the next few years. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you don't miss upcoming tech videos and deep dives just like this.